Welcome to this new lecture. Text Analytics. Text analytics is the method of extracting meaningful insights and answer questions from text data, such as length of sentences, length of words, word counts, it means number of words in a sentence or a paragraph, and find words from the text. Next, we do our exercise, basic text analytics. In this exercise, we will perform some basic text analytics on some given text data, including searching for a particular word, finding the index of a word, and finding a word at a given position. Follow these steps to implement this exercise using the following sentence. Suppose we have a sentence, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. First, we open a Jupyter notebook or a code file. In second, assign a sentence variable. Assign a sentence variable. The quick brown fox. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, and store this text or sentence in a variable named sentence. Run the cell and see the result. Okay, it means this sentence is successfully stored in this variable sentence. Now, in step 3, check whether the word quick belongs to that text using the following code. In this cell, we define a function find underscore word and given two parameters word and sentence. Word to be searched and sentence is our original text. Return word in sentence. In is a Python keyword which is called membership operator, which tells us whether word belongs to this sentence. Here we call function find underscore word and pass our first parameter as a value quick and then our sentence, and run the cell and check whether quick is found in this sentence. Okay, run the cell. True. True means quick is the part of this sentence. Find out the index value of the word fox using the following code. We define a function get underscore index, and we define two parameters word and text. Return text and call the built-in function Python built-in function index and pass our word for searching the index of this word in the text. Call the function get underscore index and then pass the word fox and sentence. Run the cell. 16 means 16 is the index of fox. It means word fox is present at the index of 16 in the given text or sentence. To find out the rank of the word lazy, use the following code. Sentence.split. Actually, sentence.split function separate the words of a sentence. First separate the words of a sentence and then store in a list. Okay. Print rank get underscore index lazy sentence dot split. Run the code. Okay, it's mean the word lazy at rank 7. If you count, then it will be 7. To print the third word of the given text, use the following code. Define a function get underscore word and pass two parameters text and rank. First we split our text into words, into a list of words, and then pass the rank as an index of the list. Sentence at pass the index 2 or rank 2, and then it return the words at rank 2 in the list. Okay, the brown is present at rank 2. Next, to print the third word of the given sentence in reverse order, use the following code. Get underscore word sentence. The first, this part actually get the word at rank 2, and this is the order of reverse order of the word. It means it reverses the letters of the word. Okay. To concatenate the first and last word of the given sentence, use the following code. Define a function, concatenate underscore words and pass text. This method will contain the first and last word of the given text. First, we split our text into a list of words, and then we extract the first word and store in a variable first underscore word, and similarly we extract or access the last word of the list and then store in the variable last underscore word, and then at the end we concatenate first word and last word by using concatenation or plus operator, and then we call the function and pass our sentence and run the cell to see the result. Okay, the first word is the and the second word is dog, but we sorry the first word of sentence is the, and the last word of the sentence is dog, and after concatenation the dog. To print words at even position using the following code. Define a function get underscore even underscore position underscore words and pass down parameter text. Word first, we split the text into a list of words and store in a variable words, and then we use a for loop which extract each word from the list, but based on these conditions where I percentage 2 is equal to 0 or I remainder 2 is equal to 0. Actually it gives the words, only gives those words which whose index is even. So call the function and pass our sentence and run the cell to see our results. Okay, these these words, these are the words which are at even which are positions at even index in the original sentence or given sentence. To print the last three letters of the text, use the following code. Get underscore last underscore n letters. Text is our original sentence, and n is our number of characters which we want to extract, and return text. Minus means letter which we have extract. Print in reverse order. Okay, call the function get underscore lost underscore n underscore letters and sentence, and last three, get the last three characters and print in reverse order. Run the sum. To print the last three letters of the text, use the following dog. Its mean we want to print last word of our sentence. N letters, 3 n letters, comma n. This is our function, and these are the parameter of this function. And then text means print the text from reverse, from left side. Print the text from left side and up to n characters. Where n is 3, it means up to